we're diving into some crucial decorating rules you should never break. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, these tips would elevate your space to the next level. First up, let's talk about using multiple shades in your decor. While it can be tempting to mix and match different colors, using too many shades can create visual chaos. Stick to a cohesive color palette to maintain a harmonious look throughout your space. Next, let's discuss coffee table height. A common mistake is having a coffee table that's too low or too high compared to your seating. Ideally, the height of your coffee table should line up with the height of your seat for optimal functionality and aesthetics. Lighting is key in any interior design scheme. Make sure to incorporate ambient, task, and accent lighting for a well-lit and inviting atmosphere. Ambient light sets the overall mood, task lighting aids in specific activities, and accent lighting adds depth and drama to your space. Moving on to rugs, it's important to choose the right size. A rug should extend at least 12 to 18 inches beyond the sides of your bed for a balanced and cozy feel. An undersized rug can make the room feel disjointed and small. Lastly, let's talk about curtain rods. Hanging your curtain rod at the right height is crucial for a polished look. Aim to place the rod at least 4 to 6 inches above the window frame to create the illusion of height and make your windows appear larger. And there you have it, some essential decorating rules you should never break. By following these guidelines, you'll create a space that's not only stylish, but also functional and inviting. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!